Yo, hello everybody. Hello, welcome to this late night, and of course you are anywhere in the world, so it can be morning or afternoon for you, but it is late in the night for me, but I am too bullish to sleep, so I had to make a video. I hope everybody is fine, guys. My XRP army, my brothers and sisters, welcome. Amazing. So please let me know if the music is too loud or not. I like this. It's bullish. It's making me more bullish. I'm working on more music, but guys, welcome. Throughout the whole live stream, please ask me anything you would like, okay? Just maybe not the color of my underwear, just relevant questions, and then I will try to answer them. Guys, wow. Okay, let's look at this. We see a huge green candle. It's not huge, okay, I'm not gonna lie, but it is giving the buy for the bull signal. The previous time we got those signals, we went up and tried to break above the 65-cent resistance. If we can test it for the third time, then bro, that would be very amazing, because we are going to, if we just scroll through a bigger time frame, okay, because this is a small time frame, the 3-hour time frame, okay, we are gonna retest it again and try to break above the 65 cent resistance. If we can manage to do that, guys, I am super bullish. Bro, XRP, are we hitting 1K in 2021? Bro, it would be amazing. It would be life changing. But you know what? I'm just I'm not let me be honest, I'm not gonna wait for the 1K. I'm also gonna sell small parts of my portfolio along the way, okay? Because otherwise, for example, what will you do when we hit, for example, $100 and then go again to $10 or $5 or $1? You're gonna sit in the bear market again? That I wouldn't recommend. You would need to cash a little bit, because I love cash. With cash I can buy my dream house, and with FOMO and hype I cannot. Okay, so cash is king, as they can say. Okay, guys, Tri-Will, what country are we meeting in after XRP moons? Bro, we can meet anywhere. I would like to meet in just, I don't know, maybe the Bahamas. Bro, Brazil would be awesome. Or Finland. Or yeah, the Netherlands could be. We can destroy the Netherlands, bro. Really, we make a big party here. It would be amazing. And I will need to buy, I will throw a party at my house, and I would have to buy another house after this party with all the XRP members. Guys, it would be amazing. So Yeah, bro, never sell all your XRP running size. That's very important. Never do this, because the people that fully cashed out of Bitcoin at $1, $5, $10, they're kicking themselves now. Okay, so what do I think, guys? So there are different possibilities where this market can go. Okay, because I watched the blockchain backers video today, and he's a little bit on the short term, he's a little bit bearish, but on the long term he's super bullish. He's super bullish, and it kept me thinking. He's one of the only YouTubers I'm listening to. I'm listening to the cryptogenic. I'm listening to bro. One of my favorite is Jungle Inc. Bro, I love this guy. He's giving so good information, clean information, and of course, I love to follow Rob Art on Twitter. He is amazing, guys. Okay, so he used to make videos, but since 2 months he's not making videos now. Well, and also let me look, guys. Let me look, because yes, on the short term we can see a fall. Okay, we can, but I don't expect this. But we can go and try first to manage to break above the 50-cent resistance. Bro, what is this? Let me put a lower time frame. So try to break above the 50-cent resistance, and then maybe the 60-cent resistance, and then try to break above the downwards trend here at 65 cents. And you know what, maybe we cannot break this right now. Maybe we will need a week or two more, but we don't know, because XRP is a coin that can go parabolic on smallest news. For example, Gary Gensler scratched his balls, and now XRP is going up, boom, and the price moves 100%. It can happen, okay? Brad Garlinghouse, he says he's bullish. Wait, Serenat, hello my dear. I know you're in Turkey now, and I'm in the Netherlands making a video. I'm here with Cinnamon, our dog. She's sleeping. I hope you're fine, and thank you for participating in my live stream, my dear wifey. Okay, so yes, bra XRP, I'm running down the street naked right now. We're gonna move before end of day tomorrow, bro. Anywhere you are, I'm gonna run with you naked, because if XRP moons, yes, that's me. So I'm looking at this, and if we look at what happened the previous time we got a sell 4 signal, we actually went down a little bit and then had a huge 3 leg up. 1, 2, 3. 3 days we pumped again 50%, and then boom. So actually this buy of the sell 4 signal is telling us, be careful, watch out, bro, because things can happen. So what I maybe expect is we move 50%, maybe 40% here, retest this, then go back, and then all the losers that are scared and are chickens, they sell, or they say, oh, we're going down again, and then we're gonna retest it, and then boom, the final time we can break above. But it is also very possible. Ronnie says Gensler scratched his balls, bro. XRP is going to moon then. Woo! Okay, so that's what I'm gonna talk about. What I was telling you. So this cell 4, we have to respect it. We have to really look at it, because the previous times it said good things. Here it told us we need to be careful. Okay, look, we traded sideways, and when he gave when the Robo gave the buy 4 signal, we were bullish again. So even we get the sell 4, we don't really sell off here, because if you sell here, then yeah, we're gonna buy back. But sell 4 for me means be very careful, and if it's combined with other bearish signals, then we have to watch out. But after we receive the bullish signals, then I'm all in, guys, and I'm already all in, but I will sell everything I got, and then I'm gonna buy all in. So if we go look at the lower time frame, oh, this looks so great. Oh yes, baby, look at this. Come on, bro, come on, look at this redness and this green bull, and then buy 4 candle. It's amazing. And you know what, the bull signal here on the 3 hourly is doing pretty good. If you just, for example, here the bull signal, yeah, you could buy the bull signal and then maybe sell at the 60 cents, or here, let me see, here buy and also sell at the 60-cent resistance. And maybe I think you can buy here and again pocket at 30-35%. But we are not here for the small gains. I'm here for the life-changing, house-changing, car-changing gains, guys, and I hope you are also with me here. Let's look, guys. Bro, guys, I love you so much. Really, it's great. It's great to have this live stream. Yeah, XRP will melt faces, bro. Really, yes. So, Lester's Capital. What indicator is this? Okay, you know what this is, guys? This is the engineering Robo advisor, and you can find it in the link in my description under this video, under this live stream. There's a link, you can press on it and then you go to the channel. But you will need to have a TradingView account. Okay, then you can get a free TradingView account. Then remember your TradingView username. Go and subscribe to the 7-day free trial on the website of Engineering Robo. And after the 7th day, they're not gonna take your money or rob you. Know, you can just try it, and afterwards it closes down, so you don't pay anything. And then you decide if you want to continue. Okay? If it works beautifully. You earn some money. If it doesn't work, then it's you didn't lose any money. So there's no way you can lose money on this. And it gives you pretty good advices. So this is not that I'm gonna close my eyes, close my ears, and I'm only gonna watch the signals and then buy and trade based on this. No, what I'm doing is for example, let me give you an example, guys. For example, I am let me show you something very nice. Yes, so for example, here we see that there's a very long downtrend going on in XRP here. So I'm drawing this trend line and it's going down, and after I see that it's breaking above this line here, I am saying, you know what, that's bullish. And then it retested this line a couple times, and then I thought, I actually consider buying this. Then you open the charts, you open the Robo indicators, and the Robo indicators here say, bro, you donkey, of course you need to buy. Come on, brah. and then I decide to make the purchase at the retest. Boom. And then here, and of course, if you hold longer, you have made after this trade 300. But you can never call this top, okay? But maybe you could have, if you liked investing and wanted to make some profit, you could have sold at, for example, the 34-cent resistance afterwards. Here a little bit profit taking, here a little bit profit taking, here a little bit profit taking, because profit taking is very nice. And I tell you that you have to take profit along the way, but I am not. I'm just too bullish. If I take profit here, bro, at 34 cents, I cannot sleep. That's not taking profit for me. That's taking my liver out and going to sleep. That's not possible for me. But of course, on the long term, if you look this Robo advisor, I sat down one day and I just calculated how much, if I would just listen to this Robo, how much it would gain me, and you know what, it came out pretty good. And of course, for example, here it says sell and then it dumps 65%. So if you just want to have some reassurance and you want to say, you know what, I'm gonna sell now or I'm gonna buy now, then open this Robo indicator and then look at what what it's saying, okay? Because here it's saying sell, boom, it's going down. Buy, boom, it's going up. Sell, it's going up. I hope it's going up. But guys, we already went down. So if we break, of course, if we break under this symmetrical triangle, then we have to watch out, okay? We have to watch out. So then we can easily retest this 34 cent. Yeah, but I don't think, guys, never ever we can retest the 24 cents, okay? We cannot. That's not possible. Maybe if Gary Gensler says to the world, guys, Brad Garlinghouse used to bully me in high school and I want to take revenge, so I'm slapping so many lawsuits on his face till he passes out, then maybe 24 cents, but I don't think we are going back there. But you know, after we were here at 70 cents, 75 cents, I wouldn't have predicted that this would happen. So you never know at crypto. One day you are a millionaire, one day you are bullish, you're juicy, the other day I am walking down the street with like 100,000 less in my virtual pocket, and I'm just losing hope. But guys, we are here for the long run. I want to tell you this, that wait, oh, my battery is going down almost. I need to open the battery or put it in the charger. Please ask me some questions, guys, about this, because I want to know what you think, and if you have specific questions, please, let's go. Is $50 possible in 2021? Bro, you know what? If you would told people that Bitcoin would go to 40-50k when it was 10 cents, then they would laugh so hard that they would pass out. So lots of people would say, yeah, $50 this year, never. But you know what? For example, the SEC says, yes, the Ripple in the XRP in escrow, they need to be locked, or they need to be, some part needs to be burned, or Brad Garlinghouse has sold enough, and Jet McCaleb has sold enough, you cannot sell anymore, something like this. Boom, then the price will explode. So we don't know. I can call only maybe $7-8 with my with my analyzing skills. But guys, yeah, we can also hit $100. But look, what do you want me to like? Yeah, here, boom. But yeah, so it doesn't work like this. It can happen in crypto. Everything can happen. Okay, we can see 1000% dog coin in one day, and we can definitely see thousands of percent XRP in one day. Wizard, I'm born in the Netherlands, but my parents are from Turkey. Yes, so I am also a Turkish citizen. XRP to $15 in my opinion, guys. Yes, 10 to 15 around this size. That's also what I think, guys. That's also what I think. But you know what? Imagine, for example, you're having 100,000 XRP, and XRP is going to $10, and you say XRP is, my prediction is $15, and you place a sell order at $15. Guys, when you see 1 million in your account, will you wait for it to hit $15, or will you just sell? So what is this? Of course, if you see the 1 million on your account, then this changes everything. It's very difficult then, or it's not. I don't know. I never saw 1 million in my account yet. But just think about this. And I also already put sell orders. And I'm gonna put some more because, and by the way, on Binance you can only put sell orders max on $3 XRP, not even that. So I'm not going to put sell orders on Binance. That's crazy. $10, $3. Robert C. Negron, bro, thank you so much. Thank you so much. I'm gonna make more music, and you know what? I think I'm gonna open a Spotify account, and all of you can just listen to my music and just enjoy it there. That would be amazing. So let me know if you would feel that. That would be a plan of me making more music and then placing it on Spotify. Okay, so I hope I made myself clear. $1 could be definitely in if we break the symmetrical triangle. Let's read this article. Okay, here's one thing XRP holders don't want to miss in SEC chair nominee's opening testimony. Okay, SEC chair nominee Gary Gensler says rules have to change together with markets. And my balls are itching, but he didn't say this. Okay. American academic and ex-investment banker Gary Gensler is set to appear before the Senate Committee on Banking, Housing and Urban Affairs on March 2nd for his much-awaited confirmation hearing to become the next chairman of the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission. Gensler's nomination is widely expected to be greenlit by lawmakers without partisan squabbling. In his recently published opening testimony, Gensler doesn't mention digital assets. However, he does allude to them by stating that markets are changing with technology. Gensler stresses that the SEC's rules have to be adopted to them. So, markets and technology are always changing. Our rules have to change along with them. In my current role as a professor at MIT, I research and teach on the intersection of technology and finance. I believe financial technology can be a powerful force for good, but only if we continue to harness the core values of the SEC in service of investors, issuers, and the public. Why it matters for XRP? Gensler, who taught a class on blockchain and cryptocurrencies at the MIT in 2018, will be at the helm of the SEC's legal battle with Ripple Labs over unregistered XRP sales that started with the landmark lawsuit against the company in late December. Okay. Ripple CEO Brett Garlinghouse described the current securities law as outdated in his recent Twitter statement. Of course, he described it as outdated. He sold $600 million worth of XRP pocketed. Bro, that's amazing. Can you pass me 1 million? Brett Garlinghouse, if you're listening, you can make a donation on this channel, 1 million. It's okay. It'll be amazing. Together with proper oversight by regulators, we can modernize outdated laws that clearly do not work to protect consumers and ensure orderly markets. Back in 2018, Gensler told his classroom that XRP was a security, but it remains to be seen whether his stance has changed since then. And I think his stance changed. I was watching a video actually. Let me watch this again. I don't know if Gary Gensler'S P. What did I watch? So let's watch this, guys. Let's watch. Do you have time? Yes, I have time. I cannot sleep. I'm too bullish. Let's watch.
Mexico, if it's between the US and Mexico. So one idea that's been around, it's widely associated with Ripple, but it's not only associated with Ripple, is this simple chart. What if I move fiat to crypto and crypto to fiat? This is called a bridge crypto or bridge currency. I can sort of say I can go from US dollars to Bitcoin or XRP. You fill in the middle and then move over to the other fiat. Mexican peso in my example. And might that take some cost out of the system? We have Sean's issue earlier of volatility. If the crypto is fluctuating a lot, that causes some issues. If there's a lot of cost or friction, because now you're doing two currency exchanges, not one. I'm calling crypto a currency for this purpose. I know that crypto is not technically a currency.
No, he's not calling crypto. He's talking about XRP, and he's calling it a currency. Okay, so not a security, bro. You're telling it.
For this moment, let me just call it. You have two currency exchanges, and thus you have two bid-ask spreads to pay. Just the market makers, you need to pay the bid-ask spreads twice, and you have some volatility if the middle crypto is moving around. But this simple diagram is a big part of what Ripple is trying to create with X Rapid, right? X Current is a messaging app of Ripple's, and it's competing with Swift. And it has some reasonable adoption. A lot of banks are starting to use it.
So, but in the statement of the SEC said that XRP was not adopted by banks and nobody used the technology, and it was just Ripple dumping XRP. And here it has reasonable adoption. It says this, and this was in 2018. So, guys, that's some news here. And he knows what he's talking about. He's talking about X Current. He's talking about X Rapid, which was rebranded to on-demand liquidity. So he's following Ripple. He knows what he's talking about. Of course, he's teaching at MIT.
But don't confuse that with another product, which is an interesting product that kind of does this. That goes fiat to crypto, crypto to fiat. So what problem, what pain points would this be solving if it worked in the cross-border? Anybody want to remind the class what the...
Yes, Mr. Gary, I want to answer this question. I want to tell you which pain point this would answer when this would work. Everything that Ripple is doing. It would answer the pain point of my wallet because we would be millionaires. The XRP army will be filthy rich. I hope this is a good answer.
This reduces the number of minutes you don't have to have your bank to engage with a correspondence bank, which engages with a local bank, which then all
right, so it might, I'm going to say it might lower the intermediation because you still have on the two fiat sides, a bank, your local bank and a bank, and to do the crosses, you need some market making function, which in Ripple's case, they try to build into the application. And they have market makers to provide liquidity. There was a question, somebody mentioned liquidity, some liquidity.
So guys, He knows what he's talking about, and I think we can have some bullish news upcoming. Okay, that's what I wanted to share, guys. He really, and watch some videos of Gary Gensler. I watched also this interview. This interview is also very interesting, but he was also on here on Bloomberg. It is also very interesting. Let's watch this. Yeah. So he's now at Bloomberg talking about this itching balls. I hope he doesn't listen to my videos and gets angry and then slaps another lawsuit at Ripple. Please don't do this, Gary. Please, Gary. Don't do it, Gary.
And Sheila Bears, Blythe Masters talking LME Week last week about how commodity companies can use blockchain. What does that tell you about the validity of this going forward?
Well, I think it's the technology, blockchain technology, which the public all know is underlying Bitcoin, has a real chance to be a catalyst for change in the world of finance. And that's because it moves data and it also applies code, computer code, across a decentralized network. So I think that's why you see the likes of Sheila and Gary Cohn, and even I'm teaching at MIT blockchain technology, and the class is crowded. There's a lot of people that want to know about this technology.
So how do you regulate it?
Well, it's really important, I think, for this, if it gets broad adoption, if we really think the crypto world's going to be part of the future, it needs to come inside a public policy envelope. That means we need to guard against illicit activity, and yes, we need to protect investors. The crypto exchanges, big exchanges like Coinbase, need to really come within either SEC or the CFTC, the agency I once was honored to chair, inside of some protect investors.
Well, let's distinguish two things. One is cryptocurrency and the other is blockchain. Because cryptocurrency may rely upon blockchain, but you can do things with blockchain you don't do with cryptocurrency.
Right.
Do we need to regulate blockchain? Because we don't normally regulate computer programs. We don't regulate JavaScript.
David, I couldn't agree with you more. We should be technology neutral to promote innovation.
Whoa, technology neutral to promote innovation. That sounds very nice. This guy, I like it.
But still, in being technology neutral, I'm agreeing, not regulate the blockchain technology, but just ensure that its application, like cryptocurrency, investors are still protected. What does that mean? That we make sure there's not fraud and manipulation to the extent we can in the Bitcoin markets.
At the same time, this is to those of us who are not computer programmers, very sophisticated. It seems to be moving very, very fast, migrating. Do we have the personnel in the federal government to actually be able to understand this enough to really know whether there's fraud going on or what's going on?
Well, it's always a challenge. That was true when the internet came along in the 1990s as well, and you're right. But I don't think that means we give up. We still should try and protect investors. And then there's more confidence in markets. And where there's confidence in markets, then more people can participate.
What are the likelihood of a cryptocurrency futures options market?
Well, we already have something called a Bitcoin future on the Chicago Mercantile Exchange. There's even futures on some other contracts called Ether as well on overseas markets. Now, you're asking whether it be an option on that future. I think it's in our future to excuse expression, but it's somewhere in the next 6 or 18 months. I think it will be there.
How relevant will that be to then help form regulation? Like, what's the feedback loop for that?
Well, I think to the extent that the international regulators can assure for more confidence, that the viewers of this program can say, all right, I'm comfortable, I can do this, and big asset managers can invest, you'll see more potential adoption. But at the core, also the technology, David, blockchain technology, has to have a place. And right now, it's more hype than reality. The largest uses are still quite small. And the technology, I think, is probably 3 years and maybe 5 to 10 years away from really being able to be scaled. Visa moves 25,000 transactions a second. Bitcoin moves 7 to 10 transactions a second. So there's still, but I'm an optimist. I think the scaling issues will come.
So assuming we will have the regulation you described, sort of like back in 1933 with securities, where should that regulation come? I mean, you're obviously from the CFTC, you believe in the CFTC, but why there rather than the SEC, for example? Or maybe there's an entirely different new regulatory body.
I'll even be regulator neutral as well as technology neutral. I think the pure cash cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin need more protection, and probably more protection than, frankly, even the oil markets or corn and wheat. Whether that's the CFTC or the SEC, I'll be neutral. I think the CFTC has good skills. I think those crypto assets called initial coin offerings, that it's like the old duck test. If it quacks like a duck and waddles like a duck, it's a duck. These things are like initial public offerings.
What do you feel like is the appetite for other exchanges, other countries like South Korea, for example?
Okay. Very nice. Guys, I like this guy. He's pro innovation. He knows that blockchain technology needs to be supported, so not worked against. He says that the SEC's regulatory, how do you tell this? He says that the SEC needs to grow regulations together with crypto, because crypto is growing, the technology is growing, but the regulations are outdated, are ancient. So I like this guy. So I want to. I relaxed, guys. Really, I can now sleep very good. I shared all my bullishness with you. So, with clarity from the SEC, we could literally see $10 overnight. Chris, bro, definitely. That's exactly what I'm thinking. The exact number, the exact time frame. Overnight. When Gary Gensler says, you know what, I scratched my balls enough, and I think this is some bullshit case, and we can go and settle this. Give me some money, Ripple. Boom, we will fly like a unicorn. Oh, by the way, yes, Jordan, Flare. I almost forgot that we will get our Spark tokens, and Spark will be amazing. I will hold my Spark tokens for the long term also, because Spark, maybe it can be even bigger than XRP. And you know what? It will double our money. So if we get, for example, become 5 millionaire, we earn 5 million with XRP, then we get free Spark and we earn 10 million, bro. Then I can buy 2 watches, 2 houses, 2 cars, 2 wives. No, I'm not 2 wives. I love my wife. So that's actually everything I wanted to share. Oh, just for the record, guys, don't buy or sell based on your emotions. Just look at the charts, okay? And if you have questions, you can always ask me in the live streams. Really, I'm there for you. I want to have your back. So if you are trading with money that you cannot lose, and that it's very risky, then I should consider. Then I want to tell you to take profits early, because if you are playing with your rent money, which I don't recommend, then don't wait for the $100,000 XRP prices, okay? And by the way, don't do this. I'm telling you, don't do this, but I will do the same. So buy for and buy and bull signal on the 3 hourly. That's amazing. And guys, I want to tell you that from here, it's just 124% to the $1, the magical, the juicy $1. Fear and greed zones help us to buy a house, Stuart. Yes, they do. Guys, I want to thank you from the bottom of my heart for watching and supporting my channel. Of course, you all already subscribed. I don't have to remind you, but if you are listening here in the night or anywhere in the world, you're watching this and you're not subscribed, brother, I need your subscription. I don't know how you call it. I need you to subscribe. Come on, bro. Help your crypto Biden. My goal is 100k subscribers end of year. That's my goal, and I want to achieve it. Paid my rent, now investing in crypto. The Guardian Archives. Guys, that's amazing. That's amazing. That's amazing. XRP, Cardano, Polkadot, Stellar, welcome to Being a Millionaire, chapter 444. Guys, really, this is it. Cardano, Polkadot, in this order, huh? XRP first, Cardano, very juicy coin. Mooned a little bit too much, but it has price to go. It has still space to go. Polkadot, very beautiful. Stellar, the brother of the smaller brother of XRP. Yes, definitely. Yes, Gökhan, that's true. When XRP goes up, XLM goes too with XRP. Yes, but now with the settlement or with the SEC lawsuit, then we had a huge sell-off in XRP and a very big rise in XLM, but now it evened, so the prices are even, and I expect when XRP moons that Stellar is also gonna moon. So I want to congratulate everyone for being the future 1%, guys, for being here alongside me, holding one of the greatest digital assets ever created. We will be rewarded in this alt season, my soldiers. Thank you all for watching, and I hope to see you in the next Julish and Juicy, bullish and juicy live stream and video. Have an amazing day.